Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's start with 10 more tools or tool ideas for your EDC toolkit. This is a HAZET Bit Adapter and it's my all-time favorite. Maybe this one is a little bit too large for your toolkit, but when you are looking for a full-sized and high-quality option, this HAZET Bit Adapter is the perfect choice. I have a lot of different tool adapters for standard bits in my tool collection, but in my opinion the grip and the ergonomics of this HAZET model are the best. The HAZET products are very popular here in Germany for high quality tools, especially when it comes to cars and industrial standards. I showed different models of KNIPEX Universal Keys in previous videos, and this one is a really cool model, especially because you have on this side different versions of unlocking doors in a building without a classic lock. As we know from KNIPEX, the quality is great. You have a lot of different options for different key slots, and there are some standard options too. What I really like about this model is you have an integrated bit adapter, so you can use this key as a little screwdriver. This is the smallest item in my selection. It's Super Glue. It's a mini version with 1 gram. I like to carry these little tubes with Super Glue in this container because there is no chance of squeezing out the tubes in the toolkit when the things are packed well together. When it comes to Super Glue, I always prefer a high quality version, and this UHU version is very popular here in Germany. All in all, these little tubes are lightweight, slim and very inexpensive, and I love to carry them to repair things when the time is running. HULTAFORS is not only very popular when it comes to craftsmen, it's a very popular brand in the bushcraft and outdoor community. I like especially the axes and the pry bars from HULTAFORS, but let's come to this little cool tool. This little craftsman saw is a sliding saw. You can slide out the blade and you can secure the blade with the switch here. It's a classic pull saw for extremely fine cuts, and you can change the blades very easily. The construction is very heavy duty and very durable. I like to carry this one in my toolkits. Let's come to this very uncommon item. It's an oil crayon holder with a pocket clip. Oil crayon is excellent for marking wood or, for example, stones. And I like to carry one of those in my kits. The problem in the past was that they break very easily. So I was looking for a cool container, but I find this holder, and this works as a container, as a holder, and I really like the heavy duty construction, the functionality, and you can set the crayon in that way you need it. You find this tool from different brands, for example from Wera. This is a no-name product, but the quality is good and I really like to carry this one. A lot of people like to carry a saw, but there are not many saws on the market, especially when it comes to small size saws that are great to carry on the belt. But this little cool gadget here is a really cool idea. This little gadget holds the folding saw very secure, and you can carry with this belt loop the saw on your belt. It's always useful when you use the saw a lot, so you don't have to take the saw out of your toolkit. A great carry option, a cool little design from KNIPEX. And if you want to support my little channel, I give you the affiliate link for this cool little toolkit gadget in the description box below. I always like to carry a notebook, and this is a special version. It's the RITE in the Rain All-Weather Universal Notebook, and it's waterproof, so you can write in wet conditions, and especially in combination with a permanent marker, this little notebook is a great choice. The Ride in the Rain quality is very popular in the outdoor and craftsman community, and I can highly recommend these products. The next two items are a combination because I always carry them together. This is a T-bar from Stahlwille, and this is a PROXXON part of a Ratchet box, and I will demonstrate you the big advantage of this cool combination. You can use this T-bar with a sliding head in combination with this PROXXON product, and you can get a lot of leverage on this cool tool combination. The brand Stahlwille is not that popular in the EDC community, but the quality is high-end and I really like the products, and the products are designed for professionals. When you are looking for a lot of quality for the money, the PROXXON Industrial series is great too. They are not that expensive compared to HAZET. The quality is a little bit lower, but you will get a lot of quality for the money. The prices is excellent, and in my opinion the functionality is high too. You are right, this last item, it's a PROXXON Bit Kit, is way too heavy and way too big for your EDC toolkit. It's a special toolkit with special bits for uncommon screws, and that's the reason why I like this one. I like to pick out some of the bits when I need them for the next project and I don't want to carry the complete box. And in my opinion, this one is a great choice with high quality bits, and you can select the different bits for the next project. You have some standard bits too in here, and you have the longer versions of the bits, and you also get this bit adapter from PROXXON. I really like this one, very ergonomic, but sadly there is not the same adapter like on the other PROXXON product I showed before. There are a lot of great ways to carry the bits in your toolkit, and I really like this bit kit from Victorinox. This is a Wera screwdriver / Wera ratchet, and you can store the bits inside the handle. And you can use this tool as a standard screwdriver when this line stands here, but you can switch the direction, and so you have a little tool with a ratchet function. When you are wearing skinny jeans, this tool is maybe a little bit too bulky for your pockets, but in my opinion it's a great option for your toolkit because you have a screwdriver with a ratchet function and you can carry a lot of bits inside the handle. Please let me know in the comment section below, do you own one of these items too, and what are your ideas when it comes to these items? I am very happy when you follow this account and when you write a comment in the comment section below.